guys. So I just got this from Costco. This is a WATERPIK 5 spray. PowerComb, faster, more efficient rinsing. And original price on this is $39.99. And it is on sale, $10 off right now. I got 2 of this. So it's become $29.99, but unfortunately the tax is based on $39.99. This is a premium stainless steel hose, so not the plastic kind, okay? So as you can see, the shower head, it is pretty wide and big. This PowerPulse up to 2 times. Massage force. This is other retail market shower heads. And it has an EasySelect 360-degree spray selector on handle. And this is made in China. This is UltraThin Plus. So here are all the 5 sprays. You got the PowerPulse massage. Powerful massaging streams shown to deliver muscle tension, relief, and rejuvenation. And you got the PowerComb. Penetrates deep into the root of the hair for a thorough rinse and scalp massage. And then there's a soft comb, comfort sweeping spray for gentler rinsing. And you got the rainfall, envelops your body in a cascading rainfall for everyday luxury. And then finally, you got the last one, Bliss Mist, luxurious dancing droplets of water that feel amazing on the skin. So it says treat yourself better with an everyday spa experience. So you can turn over here for the different selection on the handle. And come with the 6 feet of premium stainless steel hose. And it says see the PowerPulse difference. So this is the item number or the article number right here. So let's go ahead and open this up. So it comes with the instruction manual. So you need like a adjustable wrench or plier. And it's a congratulations. So it is pretty light, and this is a selector right here. Got the WATERPIK brand right there. So let's see, we're just going to start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I got 5 sprays. And those are the shower heads right here. Got the different size. The sprout. Last time I got the WATERPIKs as well, but unfortunately there's like a circular thing on the top of the head, and that thing is start leaking. So I'm not sure if I could return back to Costco or not, so I gotta try it. So this way is too tight, and this way is to loosen it up. So you need to put this over the shower sprout. And then this is the joint right there. So be sure to put this in there first. Well, remove your old shower head first and then put this in. And then install this. And then once you tie this, you'll get a tight fit. Be sure to position right. So yeah, it's kind of weird because when you tie it, it's counterclockwise, okay? So this is your stainless steel hose right here. So be careful, there's like a rubber O-ring or the washers in there. So that's why they put it like this, so you don't lose it by accident or forget to put it in. Yeah, so this is pretty nice and flexible. And all you need to do is just connect this on both ends. So they have like a rubber O-ring right there. So when you put it in, it fits in there pretty tight. Just like that, okay? Alright, so I'm here at my old shower head. Just want to show you guys real quick. So as you see, I don't know why they designed this one. There's like a circular knob right here, or circular design, which is pretty bad. This is the second time it happens. When I turn on the water, now it's start leaking and the water comes out from here. So when I'm taking a hot shower, hot water is coming through here, and then also coming out from there. So when it stops dripping, and then it drips on my body, and then I feel the coldness. So this is a pretty bad design. Maybe that's why they come out with the new one. As you can see, they have all this hot water built up, all the sediment. So it's basically the same design. Got this rubber seal. So when you put it back into the hook or the holder, it's a nice tight fit. and that one's different. But this is the same design as well. So let me turn it on real quick and show you guys. Oh, there you go. You see? So once this water is dripped on my body and become cold. So I say, what's that cold water coming down from the shower? So yeah, that's that. So it's drip on my body. This is where the cold water come from. Once water come out from here, and it's drip on my body. So yeah, this is a pretty bad design. The new one does not have this circular design. So maybe that's how they fix it. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.